Welcome to Family Food Tales. Family that eats together, stays together. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, ये जो शो है, I keep sharing all my home secrets with you, with my friends and my family. So आज की जो रेसिपी है ना, बहुत ही मीठी रेसिपी है, बहुत ही सिंपल है और उसके लिए मैं बुलाने वाली हूँ a dear friend and ad guru. First, let's welcome him. Hi Bharat, welcome to the show.
अब કેટલી વાત સુધી બહાર ખડો હોસ તમે કરો તા
આમ કરો કરાંતી.
we have the Bhatia connection.
Yes, we have the Bhatia connection. I'm a Kutchi and he speaks.
and I've grown up with Kutchis.
Correct. So आई करो करता is a favorite line of the Kutchis. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? हम यहाँ पे खाना बना रहे हैं.
First class. That's the best.
आपको तो मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ आज.
ये हो ही नहीं सकता.
देखिए आप
कितने घंटे का प्रोग्राम है ये?
ये देखिए 5 मिनट में आप ये रेसिपी सीख जाओगे.
चलो, let's see.
बहुत ही सिंपल है.
फर्स्ट क्लास.
ठीक है. और आप हमारे दर्शकों को जरूर बताएं all your ups and downs, how you have enthralled the audiences with all your lovely ads and all your lovely acting. And हाल ही में भी कुछ नया कर रहे हैं ना आप?
एक वेब सीरीज कर रहा हूँ, Scam 2.
Wow, Scam 2. Don't forget to watch it. So यहाँ पे मेरे पास है दही, 1 cup of yogurt. दही आई जगह रखो था.
हाँ.
Condensed milk. मैं तो condensed milk जो टिन मिल देता हूँ.
अच्छा, ये इसका नाम पहले से दिया जाता है कि होने के बाद जो बनता है उसके हिसाब से हम नाम देते हैं?
तो यहाँ पे जो दही है, so and then I'm going to steam it.
Oh.
So it's called Bhapa Doi.
और दही can be steamed also.
Yes.
I know.
बहुत ही सिंपल रेसिपी है और जैसे कि आपको पता है ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं खाना नहीं बनाता हूँ तो ये स्पेशली आपके लिए. मीठा पसंद है?
मीठा बहुत पसंद है.
चलो, वेरी गुड. तो ये है 1 कप दही एंड 1 कप कंडेंस्ड मिल्क. ठीक है.
This is the first time I heard that dahi can be steamed. Yeah.
बंगाल में होता है ना भापा दोई. कभी नहीं खाया आपने?
मिष्टी दोई खाया है.
मिष्टी दोई खाया है. अब आए थे उस दिन हमारे घर पे डिनर करने.
हाँ.
तो आपने नहीं खाया था भापा दोई?
इतनी सारी चीजें थी वहाँ पे और इतनी एग्जॉटिक चीजें थी कि किसका नाम क्या है मुझे घर में जाने तक पता नहीं चला कि मैंने आज क्या खाया वहाँ पे जाके संजीव के घर पे.
देखो आप इसको करें, सिखाऊंगी ना, नहीं तो फिर कैसे घर पे जाके बनाएंगे. And 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using milk here, but otherwise you use 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup condensed milk, and 1 cup cream.
Oh.
So just
and with that, how many years diet goes for a toss?
Nothing. छोटे देखो इतना ही खाना है.
ठीक है.
तो इतना तो बनता है ना.
इतना बनता है.
तो इसलिए क्रीम भी नहीं डाल रही हूँ, मैं दूध डाल रही हूँ. गेस्ट को बुलाने का फायदा होता है कि मैं ऐसे बातचीत कर सकती हूँ और ये खाना बनाए. So tell me, आपके जो ads थे, I mean you were famous of course for your Amul ads. Then your play, I think Bottoms Up, right? Which ran
forever. But Amul, I'll tell you one thing about Amul because people give me credit for the Amul ads. The credit for Amul ad doesn't go to people like us. जो लिखते थे पहले, आगे लिखेंगे.
हाँ जी.
It goes for a man called Dr. Kurian.
Absolutely.
He was the world's best client. उन्होंने हमें बुलाया, कहा कि I don't understand anything in advertising. I understand milk and milk products. Don't show me what you do. So we would do all the hoardings without showing it to him.
Wow.
So I could do what I wanted. So the credit for Amul goes to that man.
What a visionary, na? And then your play, Bottoms Up.
Then play, yeah. Bottoms Up is the longest running play in the history of English theatre.
Wow.
And the credit goes to not my writing or direction or that. I had the amazing bunch of actors and dancers in it. And people who later on became stars.
Yeah.
I mean, we had Shamak Davar who was a dancer. We had Shahid Kapoor who was a dancer. We had Javed Jafri who was a dancer.
Wow.
Arshad Varsi was a dancer. So all these guys, I keep telling them that they became big stars. I remained where I am, still doing theatre and still cooking Bhapa Doi.
Bhapa Doi. Kya baat hai. So here we have these, mitti ke bartan. Now this mixture is ready. All you have to do is now put it in this and steam it. See, this is the consistency that we have. Now we'll just pour this batter in this. You can also add some nuts if you want, but we'll just keep it simple.
So when it's steamed, does it become hard?
Yeah, it sets.
It sets.
But it remains nice and moist. Before we steam it, we'll just cover it so that the water doesn't go in, and this completely just tighten the aluminium foil. कहीं एकदम tight ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप इसको ऐसे करके ना, just to seal it.
So it seals, yeah.
This is ready. All we have to do is now steam it. Put it in the steamer. And अगर आपके पास ऐसे steamer नहीं है तो आप oven में भी डाल सकते हैं. You can bake it also.
And this now takes 6 to 8 minutes.
6 to 8 minutes to get done.
जी.
जब तक ये पकता है, आप हमको अपने मूवीज या कुछ का स्टोरी तो बताइए ना, शेयर विद द ऑडियंस.
तो मैं आपको रजनीकांत की स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
रजनीकांत is the best human being I've ever met in my life.
Okay.
Nobody. I mean, I know all of these big stars and things, but nothing to compare that.
Wow.
Now, I was offered a role in this film called Baba.
Okay.
Yeah, and they said Mysore mein shooting hai.
हाँ जी.
They picked me up from the airport at Bangalore, drove me down to Mysore, and put me in the worst ramshackle lodge. जो stations के सामने वाला छोटे गांव में होती है ना, वैसे lodge में मुझे बिठाया वहाँ पे. जिस आप बैठिए वहाँ पे, ये room है आपकी. Rajni sir is shooting at 6 o'clock. He'll get free. Then he wants to meet you.
Okay.
I said, okay, where is he coming? He said, no, he'll come here. 6 o'clock, 6:30, they came and said, next room, Rajni sir is there, go and meet him. I rang the bell. I thought now his secretary will come and say, बैठिए sir आते हैं. He opened the door. I couldn't recognize him. He had no wig, nothing. He had white hair, bald. And he came and sat down and he said, sir, you are a very creative guy. Can I tell you the story of the film? Maybe you will have some ideas. And he said, look, you have a room booked in the Palace Hotel, 5-star hotel. Amrish Puri and Manisha Koirala also booked there. I stay here because this lodge belongs to a friend of mine when I was a conductor.
Achha.
So if I come to Mysore and if I don't stay here, he feels very bad.
Wow.
So every time Rajnikant goes to Mysore, he stays in that ramshackle place so that his old friend who was when he was a conductor in a bus wouldn't get hurt.
Wow.
That's the kind of a man he is. Amazing. I spent some 18 days with him.
Amazing.
Amazing stories about him.
Yeah. See, that's what they say, na? Friendship. I mean, old friendship is something that you
people
can't...
become stars and then forget all this. No. But this guy, he wouldn't even stay in some other place.
Stories तो हमारी चलती रहेंगी. ये भी बन गया है. देख लेते हैं इसको.
So how do we know कि अभी set हुआ है कि नहीं, कैसे पता चलता है?
ट्रिक है, इसको देख लेते हैं. इसको एक बारी खोल के just open it a bit. अगर हल्का सा wobbly है, that means it's done. Because
थोड़ा watery है लेकिन. ये wobbly है?
हाँ. मतलब 6 to 8 minutes it will be done. 100%. Because overcook होएगा तो it will become hard. But it has to remain nice and soft and let it be in the warm till it, then we take it out and then we have to keep it in the fridge. So once it's cooled, then it's completely set. ये जो हो गया है इसको बंद कर देते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे 1-2 बना के रखे आपके लिए. So that we don't have to make him wait and don't have to make you wait either. तो ये देखिए ठंडा हो गया है. See.
Oh, perfectly set.
Perfectly set. Very easy.
This to be eaten?
Yes. What we can do is, I've got some blueberry compote here. So just a small dollop.
Flavor to it.
Just a little, just to decorate it. So we'll keep one here.
It's really hard. Set very
It's set, ekdam. But it's not that hard. It's so moist.
Very nice.
है ना?
You can market this also, isn't it?
You can. हमारे घर में जब पार्टी होती है ना, तो आजकल ये जो डिश है एकदम हिट है सब गेस्ट के साथ. और हम देते भी ऐसे छोटे से कि भाई you don't feel guilty about eating the whole thing. And if you want, you can eat 2, you can eat 3. It's up to you. तो चलो, बहुत मजा आया हमको. And as you can see, Bharat has enjoyed this Bhapa Doi, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it too. So do watch this recipe and make it for your friends and family. And I hope you're going to try it at home.
Yes, I will. But I must tell you, viewers, that when she called me here, she said we'll be making some chicken masala. We'll have mango rabdi. So she told me some 3-4 dishes and got me here. And finally, only this is damn good, but this wasn't bad. But I'm just informed them that they got me here with these kind of promises.
नहीं तो फिर कैसे लेकर आते हैं ना उनको यहाँ पे हमारे सेट पे, है कि नहीं?
This is very good, lovely. I think I'll try it at home again.
पक्का.
Pakka,
And
I'll try
send me a picture of it.
I'll send you a picture of that.
Thank you so much, and hope you like this recipe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.